Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have done till question number 5, exercise 12.1. We have completed exercise 12.1. Now we are moving forward. So in this previous lecture, I have covered this about major sector, minor segment, major segment, this theta angle, how we calculate the area. This is theta by 360 into pi r square. Then how you will be able to calculate the area of APB, this segment. This is area of this sector minus area of triangle. This we have covered. And now get to next example. Example number 2. This is that find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 4 centimeter, angle 30 degree. Also find the area corresponding major segment. Corresponding major segment. Minor segment. Okay. Here it's a circle, radius 4 centimeter, and this is 30 degree angle. 30 degree or 60 degree? 30 degree. It's 30 degree angle, radius 4 centimeter. Find the area. You have to find this area. You know that area of the shaded part or minor segment, minor sector equals theta by 360 into pi r square. Pi is theta is 30 degree, 360 pi is 22 by 7 into 4 into 4 centimeter square, or you can here write unit square. This is 303, 306, 1 by 12. So this is 1 by 12 of this total area. If you solve this, you will get some value. Suppose this is x. Now in the question it is also asked that you have to find the corresponding major sector area also. So major sector area will be the area of this complete. So this area, if we will want to calculate this area will be nothing but area of this complete circle minus area of this shaded part. This, so area of major segment will nothing but pi r square, that is area of the circle, minus theta by 360 pi r square. If you solve this, you will get the answer. Simple. They have also done the same thing. Area of this minus area of sector OAPB. So next example, alternatively I have also done that 360 minus theta, because the major and major segment angle will be 360 minus theta, which is 330 by this. This you can also do. This will give simple results. Then find the area of the segment AYB shown in the figure. This, if the radius of circle is 21 and angle is 120 degree. So you have to find this shaded area AYB. We have in the last class I have told that how to find this. Question 120 degrees given. We need to find the area of the shaded part. Radius is given to be 21 centimeters. Radius is 21 centimeter. Here to here, angle 120 degree. What is AYB? AYB, and this is O. So first, area of the area of the sector will be equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Nothing but 120 degree by 360 degree into pi r square. Nothing but, if you cancel this, solve it, 12 and 12, 12 3 36, pi r square by 3 centimeter square. You can either put the value or you can substitute the value after getting final result. First you got the area of the sector. Second, the area sector is this. Second, the area of triangle. I'm showing different color. Second, area of this triangle or triangle AOB. If you want to say sector A or sector OAYB. OAYB. Area of triangle AOB is nothing but, if you drop a perpendicular from here to here for this triangle, drop a perpendicular from here to here, this will bisect this. You know, I already know why, because this triangle is congruent to this triangle. So because this is right angle R, this is hypotenuse is same because it is radii of circle and one side is common. So RHS congruency. These two triangles are congruent. Since these are congruent, which implies that this side will all be equal to this side, which means this will bisect this into two. So let's assume that so this is 21 centimeter, and you need to find the area. Area of triangle is half base into height. Always write the formula because it carry at least half marks in your examination now, and it will make you be more clear about what you are doing. So base for this triangle AOB, see, for this triangle this is base and this is height. So first you need to calculate the base. What is this base? Base is equal to base, half base. You can say this, if you consider this is base, then this is half base, half or base by 2 upon divided by 21. If this is theta, I'm saying this is theta will be 120 degree by 2, this is 60 degree, or you can not theta by 2 because theta I have taken 120 degree, so 120 by 2 is 60 degree. Nothing but this is theta, this is sine theta by 2, which implies base by 2 into 21, or you can say r. Here 21 is r, is sine theta 1. What is sine theta by 2? Sine 6, 120 by 2. Sine is sine 60. And sine 60 2r under root 3 by 2. Because sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2. Then the base is root 3r. Now base is root 3r. You need to calculate, this is base height. So similarly, if you know that cos theta by 2 is, so this is h height. This is, for this it is base by hypotenuse. Base is h, base upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is r. H equals cos theta by 2, or you can say r into cos theta by 2. What is cos 60 degree? Theta by 2 is 60 degree, so cos 60 is half. H equal r by 2. So which implies that area of triangle AOB is nothing but half. What is base is root 3r into what is height? Height you have calculated as r by 2. nothing but root 3 by 4 r square centimeter square. Now you need to find the area of the shaded part, red part. This red part you need to calculate. You need to calculate the area of this part. So which is area of the shaded portion is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. So pi r square by 3 minus root 3 by 4 r square. Now if you put the value of r pi, you will get centimeter square, you will get the answer. Simple. They have also done the same thing, area of sector minus area of triangle, and they have shown the congruency that from applying this theorem and sine theta cos theta, they have come to the conclusion that area of this is this, so an area of this minus this, you will get this answer. Now next, move to the exercise. See how much questions are there in this exercise. Oh, 14 questions. Good. See, find the area of sector of circle having radii as 6 centimeter. See, find the area of sector of a circle. Sector of with radius this if angle of sector is 60 degree. Same old thing. Six centimeter, 60 degree. 60 degree. R is 6 centimeter. This is theta. Area of sector, you know, theta degree by 360 degree into pi r square unit square. Put the value of r and theta and you will get the answer. Since r is in centimeter, you will get the unit as centimeter square. Second, find the area of a quadrant of a circle. See, quadrant means it divides the circle into 4 parts. Quad means 4. Qualcomm processor, quad core processor, you have heard of the quad means 4. Quadrilateral, then quadrant. So whose circumference is 22 centimeter. See, you have in the second question you have given circumference is 22 centimeter, meaning 2 pi r is given to be 22 centimeter, and you need to find the area of the quadrant. This is a circle. It is divided into 4 parts. This is quadrant, and since this is a divided into 4 equal parts, this is the angle will be 90 degree. Why? Because theta by 3, because since it have to be divided into 4 equal parts, so 360 degree by 4, because this whole angle is 360 degree. 360 divided by 4 is nothing. 4 9 is 36, 90 degree. So theta here will be 90 degree. You need to find the area of this quadrant. Now you already know area. From here you get that r equals 22 centimeter by 2 by pi, and you need to use the value of pi at 22 by 7, so it is 3.5. R is 3.5, and if you area of this quadrant, nothing will be but theta by 360 into pi r square. R you know from here, theta is 90 degree, nothing but 90 degree by 360 degree into pi r square is 9436, pi r square by 4. Put the value of pi here, since this is in centimeter, so this will be in centimeter square. You get the answer. Now next is the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Here suppose this is the minute hand. Question is this minute hand is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Find the area itself. Suppose this had moved toward in 14 minutes. It had moved like this from here to here. So you need to find how much area it has swept from here to here. You need to find this area. You will only be able to find this area when you know this angle. How much angle it has swept from here to here. So in the question it is given that in 5 minutes. So you know that a minute hand completes its one revolution or one complete rotation, not revolution, one complete rotation in 60 minutes. So we can write that in 60 minutes the angle made by minute hand equals 360 degree. So which implies that in 5 minutes, or you can say in 1 minute, the angle made by this minute hand will be 360 degree by 60, which implies that in 5 minutes the angle made by this minute hand will be 360 degree by 60 into 5, which is nothing but 6 is 36, 6 5 30. This is 30 degree. So the angle which is made by this is 30 degree. Now you know that theta is 30 degree. You very well know, it is given in question, the length of minute hand is 14 centimeter. So the area swept by minute hand nothing but theta by 360 degree into pi r square unit square. Now you know that r is in theta is 30 degree. You can substitute 30 degree, 360 degree, pi r square, pi is 22 by 7 because this is 14 is multiple of 7 centimeter square, and solve this, you get the answer. Question done. Fourth question. A chord of circle of radius. See, a chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtend a right angle in the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major sector. See, use pi equal to 3.14. See, for some question, so for some chord, some length of chord for radius 10 cm is subtend 90 degree at the center. Now 10 centimeter minor area of minor segment and major sector. So you need to find the area of minor segment and major sector. Major sector is this whole area. So first you calculate second part, area of major sector. So for major sector, this theta will be this, means theta will equal to, this is 90 degree because subtending and right angles mean at center, so right angles mean 90 degree, so this theta will be 360 degree. this 360 degree is complete angle, minus 90 degree is nothing but 270 degree. So area of sector will be 3 theta by 360 into pi r square. R is given to be 10 centimeters. Yes, R is given as 10 centimeter. So this you know, theta you know, pi you need to take 3.14 as given in the question. Put the value, get done. You will get the answer. Now second. Now for I have done first. Now area of minor segment. I already told you how to calculate. That is area. If you OA, let us this is P. This is area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. What is this area of minor segment will be? Segment will be area of sector. This area of sector is given at 90. Since you know this formula. So now here you need to put theta is 90 degree because this angle is 90 degree. So 90 degree by 360 degree into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB. See, you can calculate. You need to every time do this thing because this is thing. You know that this is 90 degree, and the area can be calculated as this is also 10 centimeter because this is also radius. Half base into height. So area of triangle will be half base. For this 90 degree, you can take anything. Just either you take this base or you take this base. If you take this base, this will be your height. Half base is 10 and height is also 10. So this is 10. Or you can simply write r square because here you can say also r square in centimeter square. So if you solve this 1 by 4, this is pi by 4 into 10 square minus half into 10 square centimeter square, and if you solve this you will get the answer. Pi value, pi you can is given 3.14. Solve this and you will get the answer. Fifth, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. An arc subtends an angle 60 degree at the center. Okay. Find the length of the arc, the area of the sector formed by the arc, the area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. Arc subtends an angle 60 degree at the center. C. I'm using different pen for solving this. The circle. So this is the arc. This is the O is the center. Always generally try to take O as the center only. This is the arc. I can show it with different color. Suppose this is the arc. This arc is subtending angle 60 degree at the center. Since this is the arc, the corresponding chord will be this. And let us name it as O, A, this is B. Let us this be a P. 60 degree. R is given to be 21 centimeter, I guess. Yes, R is 21 centimeter. This is R, 21 centimeter. This is also R. This is also 21 centimeter. You need to find the length of arc. Here it is APB. Nothing but you know the length of the arc is going to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Theta is 60 degree You put the value of theta 60 degree, r 21 centimeter, pi at 22 by 7. If you put this, you will get the value easily. Second, arc, area of sector formed by the arc. See, the area of sector will be this complete sector. Area of sector formed by the arc is OAPB. So it will be nothing, will be, you know the formula, theta by 360 degree into pi r square. R, you know, pi is 22 by 7, theta is 60 degree. You put this and you get the answer in centimeter square. Third, area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. Area of segment is this, nothing but area of this whole sector, that is theta area of segment formed by, this is APB segment, is nothing but area of this sector, that is theta by 360 degree into pi r square, which I have already calculated, minus area of this triangle. And the area of this triangle, you know how we derive this, dividing by this 2 into this, nothing but half r square sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Theta is this, theta by 2 is this. So one is r sine theta by 2, that is r cos theta by 2, multiply this r square theta and half base into height, this. So this, if you put the value of theta here, here and here, and value of r here and here, you will get the answer in centimeter square. Put the value, get the answer. Sixth question. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter sustains an angle 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segment of this circle. Minor and major segment. See. This is the center. 60 degree, it has given 60 degree segment. Subtending 60 degree. We need to find the area of this minor segment and find the area of this major segment. So how will you do that? You need nothing to do. See, in this question, so here it is, the question it is given that this is 15 centimeters, this is 15 centimeter. So r is 15 centimeter and the area of this minor segment, you know that is area of the sector with 60 degree angle, it is theta by 360 degree into pi r square minus area of this triangle. See, this is 60 degree and this side, two sides are equal, which means that these two angles are also equal. This is isosceles triangle. So If this is 60 degree, the sum of two, this is, if I take x and x degree angle, so this is x degree plus 60 degree is 180 degree. 2x is 180 minus 60 degree equals 120 degree. X is equal to 60 degree. Since these angles are also 60 degree, means these all three sides are equal, and since one side is 15, so this will also be 15 centimeter. And you know that the area of equilateral triangle is nothing but root 3 by 4 side square, equal to root 3 by 4 into, here it is, you can take r square. This is root 3 by 4 r square. Alternatively, what I have told you, that half r square sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2, you can put sine theta by 2, this is sine 30 degree, and sine cos 30 degree. Sine 30 is half, cos 30 root 3 by 2. Wait. Wow. Let me check. Yes, in previous, this is not half. This is r square sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Area, so this is not half, this is r square sine theta by 2 cos theta by r square sine theta by 2. So this is nothing but sine theta, this is, so this will come out to be root 3 by 4 r square. This is I'm putting here. So finally root 3 by 4 r square is the area of this minor segment. Now area of the major segment will be area of major segment, or major segment is area of this complete, that is area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of minor segment. Now whatever you get the value here, this is in centimeter square, you put this value here, subtract from minus pi r square, the answer will be in centimeter cube, centimeter square. So next question. A chord of a circle of radii 12 centimeters, subtended angle 120 degrees, center, find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Same question, different approach. Root 3 you have to take 1.73. So I can solve this. So I need to show this at least. (120 degree) this is r, this is r, you need to find the area of this segment. Now see, once again I'm telling you about this. Suppose this is taking this part, to find the area of this. See, I'm taking this is theta degree. This you know from here, this is radius r. You know that if this device for triangle, Let me solve the A, B, C, D. See. Let's suppose that this is for this triangle ABC. This is height of the triangle. Let me denote it with H. For this I'm taking this as base. So this first I'm taking this as H. Now from this triangle, look at this triangle ABC, and in triangle AD ABD. What you can see that angle ADB equal angle ADC 90 degree, and AB equals AC, radii of circle, both are radii of circle, and this AD equals AD common. So this is right angle, hypotenuse, side. So by using congruency, so by RHS congruency, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC, which implies that ABD equal angle ACD and BD equal to and BD equals to CD, which means that D is the midpoint of this. See, now for this triangle ABC, for triangle ABC, for triangle ABC, this let me write here, for triangle ABC, DC will be base by 2, because BC is a base and AD is height of triangle. Base of triangle, height of triangle, which triangle? Angle ABC, and I am taking the AD to be H. So BC I am taking if B, which implies that DC will be B by 2, because D is the midpoint. Now substituting the value of this in, now from not substituting, see, since the two triangles are congruent, which implies that this is theta by 2, this is theta by 2. For now in triangle ABC, cos theta by 2 is cos is base upon hypotenuse, that is base is what is for this base is H, AD by AC, which is by H by R. From here you get value of H is R cos theta by 2. Now in triangle, now in same triangle, what is sin theta by 2? Sin theta by 2 is DC by R. What is DC? DC is H. DC is base by 2, which is B by 2, because this is I'm taking this to complete to be B by 2, which implies that value B is 2R sin theta by 2. H is R cos theta. So area of triangle ABC will be half base. What is base? 2R what you get? This 2r sine theta by 2, 2r sine theta by 2 into r cos theta by 2. This is base for that triangle and this is height of that triangle. If you solve this, 2 get cancelled, you get r square sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Area of this triangle is this. Nothing special, so you just need to put the value, get the answer. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass by means of a 5-meter rope. The area of that part of the field in which he can graze, the increase in grazing area if the rope were 10-meter long instead of this. Good question. If you don't know the logic, it's a good question. See, suppose this is a field 15 centimeter and a horse is tied with a thread, this. So this thread can make horse move from maximum to here in circular path till here. So in at all, at the maximum he can graze this much area of grass, and this circular, and since this question is given that this is a square field, so this angle is 90°. So in question that the length of this rope is 5 centimeter. So this is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. You need to find how much area it can, how much field the horse can graze. Area of field that horse can graze is, so area of field that horse can graze will be theta by 360 into pi r square, where r here is 5 centimeter. This is first part. Put the value. Theta is 90°, as this is a square, so this is 90°. Put the value, get the answer. Now in second part, what is the increase in the grazing field if the rope were to be 10-meter long? So in the second question they said that what is the increase when this rope is 10-meter long. Suppose this is 10 meter, this is 10 meter, this is 10 meter, so approximately. So need to find this much area only. What is the increase in the area? Because this, if the horse is tied, he can graze up till here, from this whole part till below part also he will graze. But you need to find the increase in area. This is also 5 centimeter. In totality, this will be 10 centimeter. Suppose that this is r dash. So area of increased area, area of new field which is equal to theta by 360° into pi r dash square. Now increase in the area of field will be theta by 360° into pi r dash square minus theta by 360° into pi r square. Here r dash will be 10 centimeter and r will be 5 centimeter. Theta will always be same as 90°. Here will also be 90°. Pi you can take 3.14, and if you put this values here, you will get the answer. Simple. Just need to analyze. Even it has, he has shown that the circular area field will be grazed. Now, ninth question. A brooch is made with a silver wire. Okay. Silver wire in form of a circle with diameter 35 mm. See, diameter is given, which means that the radius can be found out by using diameter by 2, which is 35 mm by 2. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown. Find the total length of silver wire required. Diameter also make 5 this into 10 equal sectors. Find this an area of each sector. Okay, so here you need to do is see this is divided 10. So 1, 2, 3. The circle. Assume that this is a circle, though does not look like a circle, but still you assume that. So you divide it to 10. 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8. So equal parts 9, 10. 10. 10 equal parts using a wire only. This all radii will be R. Now this is used to make circumference also. So the length of wire used will be circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. R is d by 2 and d is given as 10 mm. 10 mm by 2 is 5 mm. No, 10 mm or 35 mm. So sorry, 35 mm. So this is 35 mm, which is equal to 17.5 mm. This is radii. 2 pi r is the length of the circumference plus the length of, see how many wires are used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is divided into 10. So 10 is used. So 10 number of thing are used to divide into each equal sector. So the length of each wire will be r because it is equal to radii. So 10 into r is nothing but 2 pi plus 10 into r. Put the value of r as 17.5 mm and you will get the answer in mm, which is length of the total wire, silver wire used. Second, the area of each sector of the brooch. So area of each sector, this is theta. It is equally divided into 10 parts. So theta will be the whole complete circle divided by 10 because it is divided into 10 equal parts, which is implied this is 36 degree. Equal sectors. 36 degree. So this angle will be theta will be 36 degree. So the area of each sector will be theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So nothing but if you put the theta here, value of r here, you will get the answer in mm square. Put the value, get the answer. Next question number 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs. See, 8 ribs umbrella is having, which are equally spaced. See this figure. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. See, this is one rib, and to draw 45 centimeter, 8 ribs. The hanging, why this is hanging? So this is assuming this is a circle. It is divided into 8 ribs. 4, 1, 2, 3. 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is theta. Everything equals is equally, it is divided, so everyone thing will be theta 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 theta, which implies that this theta is nothing but 360 degree. This is divided into 8 ribs. 60 degree by 8, so for 32 40 45 degree, and theta will be 45 degree. Now area of this 40, the radius is directly indirectly we're going to be 45 centimeters. So the area between any two consecutive ribs, see, one rib is this, one rib is this, another rib is this. Area between these consecutive ribs, so this will be area of this sector. Area of this consecutive between two consecutive, theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Theta you can substitute here, that is 45 degree, and pi r square, r you need to substitute 45, and pi take to be as 3.14. Put the value, you will get the answer. Now a car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of 25 centimeters sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. So area of the wiper, car is having a wiper. So assuming this is your screen, wiper, this angle is, see, it has swept 115 degree, so it has swept 115 degree. This both is, two wiper is given, it did not overlap, each has blade of 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter, this is 25 centimeter, this is also 25 centimeter, this is not overlapping, so this is also 25 centimeter, this is also 25 centimeter. So area of the window that is been cleaned, or the area of the glass which has been cleaned by a single shot, so in one shot it will clean 115 degree. So area will be area cleaned, nothing will be, see, theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Here r you can take as 25 centimeter because length of this blade. Now this is area of single, so in area cleaned by both wipers in single shot, either both, so it will multiply by 2. If you put the theta the value of 115 degree and radius as 25 centimeters and pi as given, so you will get, put the value and you will get the answer. Next next is to warn ships for underwater rocks. A lighthouse has a spread a red color light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16 kilometers. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. See, a lighthouse spreading. No, this will be, you can see like this. Suppose this is a sea. I'm taking circle, you can take also rectangle also. Here you can see that this is a tower or lighthouse. This is warning a ship up to an angle of, let me change this color. yellow light, it is warning ship up to an angle of 80 degrees for a distance of 16.5 kilometers. 80 degree for distance, this is valid up till distance of 16.5 kilometers. 16.5 kilometers. So the area, define the area of over which the ships are being warned. So area where up to which the ships are being warned is given by theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Here r is nothing but 16.5 kilometers and theta is nothing but 80 degrees, which implies that area, if you put the value you will get something and the area will be in kilometer square. Directly put the value and you will get the answer, and you have to substitute the value of pi as 3.14 as given in the question. See, 13. A round table covers 6 equal designs as shown. 6 equal designs as shown. Okay. Shown. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the design at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter cube per centimeter square. The round table cover has a equal design as shown. Find the radius of the cover. No, if the radius of the cover is 28, find the cost of making design at the rate of this per centimeter square. So 28 centimeter, 6 equal. See, this is the table. This 6 equal. Oh, if it is divided by 6 is a hexagon. Hex means 6. Some design is being made here. 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, I have made 5. Make 6. Some design is being made the segment level, minor segment level, and radius is given to be 28 centimeter. R is 28 centimeter, and rate is given to be, rate of making this is 0.35 per meter square. Centimeter square, meter square, per centimeter square, rupees per centimeter square. Find a rate area, find the total cost of making this design. So this cost of design is in terms of centimeter square, which means you need to find this area of this, total area of this. So you remember that this is 6 hexagon, or this is divided into 6 equal, so this angle will be 60 degree. Now you need to solve what I have already told you and get that the area of this single segment, area of single segment, you know that it comes out to be r square. This area single segment will be pi r square, be theta by 360 degree into pi r square minus r square sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This is for single segment, and for total segment, for total area, suppose 80 is total area of this is equal to 6 into theta by 360 degree into pi r square minus r square sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 You know this value of r, 28 centimeter. Pi, take 22 by 7 because 28 is the multiple of 7. Theta is given 60 degree, directly or directly indirectly is given as 60 degree. 6, this also r is given, theta is also 60 degree. Put the value and you will get the total area. And if when you get the total area, the rate is given to be 0.36 per centimeter square. This you will get in centimeter square. So if you want to calculate total cost, that is C, it is will be equal to 0.36 into 80. This value you will substitute here and you will get the total value cost of making the design, which is in rupees 0.36 into 80. Put the value, get the answer. Now 14th, this is the last question. Tick the correct answer in the following. Area of a sector of an angle B in degrees of a circle with radius R is given by, see, this is in place of theta, it has given P. So you know that formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta by 360 into pi r square. So in theta place of theta, he has given angle as P. So the answer will be P by 360 into pi r square. P by 360. No, it has the area of sector. Area of a sector of angle P in degrees of a circle is this. So see, here they have played a some trick. In bottom, they have done that they have multiplied by 2, and here also they have multiplied by 2, which imply it becomes P by 270 degrees. 720 degrees into 2 pi r square. So this type of option is here D. So the correct answer is D. See, area always represented in pi r square. This is pi r square. This factor of 2 is 180 degrees. This cannot be because this is theta by 360. So here it is theta by 360, but both in numerator and denominator multiply by 2. So correct answer is D. Correct answer is D. So for today, this is the last question, and see you tomorrow. Thank you.